So right now I'm currently kind of at a loss of words. I'm gonna try and make this video as quick as possible. Um, if you look here, just look at that. 6 trades. 6 trades. One out of those 6 trades was a legit trade. Just gonna give you the rundown on what happened today. I'm gonna make this video really short and sweet for you guys. But I don't know. I genuinely I don't know how much longer I can do this for. I have the chart analysis. I understand what I'm doing. Like, it's my psychology. It's my psychology kills me. And it's really frustrating because I'm so close to getting my first payout. I just hit the 5-day consistency rule. I just hit the 5-day consistency rule. I'm now eligible for my first payout. That obviously does not matter if I can't even get there. But this day basically completely wiped out my day from yesterday. I'm still up on the week, but at one point today I was up $200 or something like that in my live trade. The first trade that I took right here, look. Right here, I tapped in the fair value gap, wanted to get these highs. I got all the way up here, dude. And I'm up $230 at this point. And I set my TP higher to get 300 because 300 is a better number than 200. Even though at this freaking high right here, something I failed to realize was a freaking hourly high. So what do you expect when we're going to sweep an hourly high? I wonder what. We're probably going to reverse, right? Yeah, most likely. So let's just set our TP 20 points higher so we can get an extra $100. Great decision. Awesome. Well, yeah, cool. Look what that got you. Down $400 for the freaking day, bro. Coming in the day, I was bullish. We had a lot of buy side up here. We also had a 30-minute CISD right here. Right here. We also had a 30-minute fair value gap along with a 15-minute CISD and a 15-minute fair value gap. So I'm like, cool, this is my zone. Market open and we took off and we swept out all these highs and I entered off this fair value gap. I was like, let me get a continuation trade. Let me just get in a trade before I even wait to get to my zone. Cool. First mistake. But we got lucky. It wasn't really that bad of a mistake. I was up 200 at one point. So now I'm like, it's what? I have class at 10:30. It's about 10:16 at this point. I see it start to reverse. Right here was a great entry for shorts, not going to lie. And we started to reverse. I'm like, okay, let me just get in one more trade. We're tanking. Let me short it. Let me try and catch this crazy ride. Boom. I got out of the trade as soon as I was down $40, lost $40 there, and now it's about 10:18, and I normally leave for class around 10:20. So now it's 10:20. I'm like, okay, let me just try one more trade. So let me take a long up there. And at one point we were up $100, and I got greedy, and I could have gone break even for the day. And then I lost. Boom, another $50 down the drain. So now I'm down $100, right? And I leave for class at 10:20. What do? I don't go to class. I miss class to take a trade. Okay? I missed class to take a freaking trade. I could have been break even. I could have honestly taken my take profit at my first freaking trade. I could have been up $200 and I could have been done for the day. My balance would have been up to $400. My drawdown would have been up to $1,300. Life could be so good right now. Life could be amazing right now. But instead, I wanted to do this. I wanted to be a freaking idiot. I wanted to care about the money. I wanted to care about getting my first payout. And look where that got me. Absolutely freaking nowhere. 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 And then look what happens. My initial zones that I have marked out, my key levels that I have marked out, look what happens. We tank in. Boom. Hit my 30-minute CISD. Boom. Hit my 15-minute CISD. Boom. Hit my 15-minute fair value gap. And look what we do off this zone. It's crazy, right? It's crazy. It's crazy how I somewhat know what I'm doing, right? And yet I'm still doing dumb stuff to make me want to freaking quit. This is what I want to do. I want to become financially free off of this. I don't want to have to work a 9 to 5. I don't want to have someone be my boss. I want to be my own boss. And I want to be able to do what I want to do whenever I want to do and live life freely. That's my whole goal of doing this. And my chart analysis has grown so much. I've gotten so much better at it. Like, genuinely, I have. Like, you can see here, my key levels perfectly got hit. Like, it's not a random cause that this level got hit and then we take off. Like, it's not random. Like, it's just unbelievable. So now we're down $100. And I see this 5-minute fair value gap up here that I have marked out. I'm like, okay, let me just like long it up to there. And I long it up to there. And one point I'm up like, I don't know, 100, 200 bucks. I can go break even for the day and be done, right? No, but I wanted to be like 500 bucks so I can make money instead of worrying about being break even. Because now, honestly, in my opinion, leaving the day break even is obviously not as good as making money, but it's close to being to as good. Like, you're not losing money. And I need to understand that. It's just bad. Like, I fully deserve this. I fully deserve this, and I'm happy this happened to me. I need this to happen to me in order for me to learn. The only way for me to learn is where stuff like this happens to me. Like, genuinely, I needed this, and I'm happy this happened to me. I am now $730 away from drawdown, from blowing this account. So like I did yesterday, I had to come back and let's hit a good trade tomorrow. You know, we can come back today. We can get rid of all the losses. But I'm not gonna force anything. But we can come back tomorrow. We can get rid of all the losses, and we can go back to where we were before, and then lock in again. But I'm so close to getting this payout. I need to take it slowly. I'm trying to go too fast. Like, I need to take a chill pill because it's not getting me anywhere, at all. Like, nowhere. Yeah, it's just frustrating. It's just really frustrating. 6 trades today. And also, something else. I decided to move my personal daily loss limit to 400 instead of 300 because I wanted to take another trade to try and see if I can make my money back. So I just lost an extra $100 for no reason. But I mean, if you look at it, my daily bias played out. We tapped in to my key levels and we rejected off of it, and that is like what, a 150-point trade right there. Like, it's really frustrating because if I would have just went to class, I wouldn't be in the situation where I am right now. If I would have not been greedy the first time and held my take profit at the one zone where I probably should have held it at this hourly high, right here, like this thing would never have popped up. And I actually took the first trade on ES, but look here. Boom, take profit. We're up $200 for the day and we're done. Our balance is now up to $500. Our drawdown's back up to $1,500 or wherever it was before I had that bad week last week. It's crazy, right? Like, I just feel like I'm so close of having that breakaway into becoming a profitable trader. I feel like I'm so close. Like, I've only been trading for basically 3 months now. I've passed 3 evaluations. I've blown 2 expresses. I'm now on my 3rd express. Like, I'm close. I'm really close. And I'm so confident I'm going to do this. And this is what I'm going to do. No doubt about it. And I know that for a fact. So I'm not giving up. But it's stuff like this that makes me want to give up. But it's just really frustrating because I'm doing this to myself. I'm the problem. It's not the chart. It's not the price action. It's none of that. I'm the problem. Like, it's just it's unbelievable. Like, I don't know how dumb I am to do stupid stuff like this. Like, just taking trades to take trades. Like, no confluence. Let me just press short because the market's got, like, when do I ever do that? Like, when do I ever do that? Like, good lord, bro. Oh my goodness. I saw it going down and I pressed short. It's just like looking back at it, bro. The thing that makes me the most mad is I could have been up $230 for the day, and I could have been done, and I could have went to class, and I couldn't have missed out on points for being there. Like, I would have locked my account out. I would have been done for the day. Just just hard. It's really hard. And it makes me really mad. Um, Genuinely, like at this point, bro, and like now I have to deal with this for the rest of the day, and just like I have to deal with it. Um, it's really frustrating. It really is because I'm not crying right now. By the way, my eyes are just itchy. But yeah, I know what I'm doing wrong. I need to fix it. My psychology needs to be fixed. The chart analysis is there. All my key levels hit. We reversed off of it. And even this first trade wasn't even half bad here either, to be honest. That's a what? 107-point move? Like, it's just frustrating. But yeah, this is it for the video. Free Discord's on my bio if you guys want to join. I'll also be taking a little break from live trading. I just want to trade by myself in peace and quiet and deal with the results. I don't want to have any outside people affecting me. I want to get out when I want to. I want to take a trade when I want to. I want to set my stop loss at a certain place when I want to. But yeah, I'm not going to quit, even though the title's probably titled something like I'm quitting. This was the last straw, or I'm actually quitting or something like that. But yeah, I still have the account. We still have some room. Let's have a good day tomorrow. Let's come back strong. That's the thing about trading. You can come back tomorrow and you can make it all back plus more. Just gotta accept the losses, accept the wins, move on. And I need to detach myself from money. But this is it for the video, guys. If you haven't joined the free Discord in my bio. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to follow the journey. But I'll see you guys.